continue making our way down all the way from all that down here. That's Judy. She's leading the hike.
I know this place like the back of my hand.
Yeah, it's like the backyard. It's like a pool everywhere we go. It's like fresh air. We're about like 1,500 feet above sea level. We did get a little headache. I don't know if it was from that or just
Tylenol.
Yeah. Thanks to Tylenol, we feel a little better.
Oh, thank God we found Tylenol.
Yes, thank God we found Tylenol. Yes, I stand corrected. And here we are. Take it down there. See? It's a trail, man-made trail, but wow, God made the rest. These weird. It's telling you, it's like straight out of a movie. Incredible. Maybe we passed monkeys and stuff and we didn't even notice. Here we go. Keep walking down. Many steps. It's actually sunny. I don't know if you can see through the top. The sky's pretty clear and bright. But since we're down here under this dense forest, it's actually a little, well, it looks dark. But it's really not. And it's pretty humid too. Real humid. Next stop, the falls.